Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed and styled this lovely hair. Oh my god, this hair has gotten a lot of compliments, so if you're interested, keep on watching. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be reviewing this hair from Wigencounters official. Okay, right off I'm opening the box and I don't know what I'm doing.
Telling me you don't love me, 'cause baby girl, what is the difference? We both need somebody.
Okay, so this is their 16-inch 180% density Indian Remy curly 360 lace frontal wig, and it was shipped to me via DHL. It came in about a week, and they delivered it to my doorstep as well. As you just saw, the frontal came bleached and pre-plucked, so I'm just going to do plucking, but I'm not going to be bleaching it. And guys, you don't understand how this makes me happy. It just saves me from doing a whole lot. So moving on to customization, I just wet the hair and put it on my dummy head, and now I'm just securing the frontal with T-pins, and that is just to enable me pluck it without no hassle. Whilst combing the hair, there was a bit of a friction at first, but later on it just went smoothly.
You want me, but you text me, now you want it.
Since this wig came pre-plucked, it didn't need a lot of plucking, so I didn't spend a lot of time on this. I just thinned it out till I was satisfied and moved on to installation.
Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you.
So once I was done plucking the frontal, I went ahead to sew an elastic band just so the wig could be secure on my head, and now as you can see, I just wore the wig. So now I'm just adjusting it to make sure it fits well, and I'm also going to go ahead to apply powder on the frontal. I know it came bleached, but I have trust issues, so yeah. Oh, and I forgot to slick down my edges, so I'm doing that right now with the Got To Be black gel, and this gel is over and done with.
Already come back and just give me your heart attack, but I really don't care. I'd rather watch you go up in a flare, 'cause I know that we ain't going nowhere. You be just wasting.
Moving on, I'm going to be applying the Got To Be glued gel in the yellow tube around my edges. I'm going to dry it and move on to apply the spray, and this will just help my frontal sit or sleep. Y'all know what I'm talking about.
I used to sleep easy.
Take time on me, don't run away, 'cause baby we got unfinished business. She said,
Don't see me one day.
Now I'm just placing the frontal where I put the glue earlier on, just to make sure it's secure, and I'm going to be going ahead with my blow dryer just so it could dry properly and stay in place. God, explaining this thing is so hard. I'm trying to think of all the terms, but pardon me, I'll get better. So using the small scissors, I'm going to be cutting off the extra lace, and it's going to be like a zigzag motion. I'm not doing a straight cut because then it would look unrealistic. So I'm just going to be following the pattern of my hairline and just cutting the lace off. Using my Got To Be spray, I'm just going to be going over the parts that didn't lay down before.
yeah. Baby, we got unfinished. Baby, we got unfinished business.
Using some of the glue from the black gel, I'm just going to be slicking down the front area, and that is because I'm going for a certain look which you'd see at the end, but I'm just going to be doing that before I go ahead to tie it with another belt from another dress, like Vivian do better. And yeah, after that I'm going to be doing my makeup, and I'll see you guys after my makeup. makeup is done, so I'm going to be taking the belt off my head, and then I'm going to be going ahead with my face powder just so I could blend the areas that didn't get some foundation and concealer love. So I'm just going to be blending it so it could just match. And then I'm going to be going ahead to loosen my hair and create a center part for the first look. Next, I'm going to be spraying some water on the hair. As you can see, the hair is dry, and trust me, you get the best out of this hair when it's a wet look. So I'm just going to go ahead to spray some water to one side of the hair so you guys can see the difference between the wet side and the dry side. Can you guys see the difference? So now I'm just going to go ahead to wet the other side of the hair just so everything could be even, and then we'll move on to cutting this hair. Moving on to cutting this gorgeous unit, very gorgeous, I tell you. So I'm just going to be using 2 bands just to secure both sides because I kind of divided the hair into 2. So I'm going to be packing it where I want to cut it, and then I'm going to make sure they're on the same level, and then I'm going to go ahead to cut the hair. So just watch, guys. Hot girl summer hoodies. Anyway, this is what it looks like when it's cut, and I absolutely love it better. Like, I love it when it's short. So now I'm just brushing it, and I'll probably spray some more water and style it, and that's pretty much the end of this video. I really love this hair. I do not have any issues with this hair whatsoever. So far so good, and I've had it installed for more than a week now, so it's been really good. I love this hair, guys, and I'm going to leave all the details you need to know in the description box. This hair is affordable. It's under $200, so make sure you check it out. I'll leave everything you need to know, like I said, in the description box. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.